day, everybody. Rocky here. To all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Rocky. I am blind, and I do a lot of virtual reality stuff just for fun because it helps me to deal with whatever's going on. I have special reborn babies that have special needs, and I try to make things, days good days if I can. Some days they're not always that good, but I at least try to make something good out of them if I can. Make sure you check out my story. It's called My Emotional Story. You'll see what I've been through and all that stuff, why I created this channel. A lot of people have said it took guts to make a channel like that to bring that out like that, to talk about that, and they're probably right, because I was scared to talk about my life. But the truth is, if I didn't, then people would not know the struggles you go through at times. So, it's something like you just need to, so I did. And, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Appreciate you so much. All of you are awesome to me, like family, and I appreciate that so incredibly much. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Because the last few days have been really rather crazy, I think today we might do a beach day, because the truth is, those of you who've been watching for a while, you know how crazy the last couple of days have been. And I was just like, Anyway, I'm also sort of in nesting mode as well, because hoping that Sebastian will come home soon as well. So sort of in that nesting, motherly nesting mode too. So, yeah. So things have been quite crazy. Hate cracking eggs, yuck. Just getting things ready for the day, get some food ready for the day. I think it's going to be a beach day, because the truth is we have not gone to the beach. We have gone to Disney every day since we've been here. So I thought maybe today we'd go to the beach pool resort or something and just hang out there for a while and let the kids run around and play. And those who can run and play, those who can't, roll around and play, we just figured that might be something we could do today, because really the truth is, the last few days, we have been going nonstop. As you already know, those of you who have been watching, you know that we have been going totally nonstop. And I think the kids are kind of needing a little break from that today, so we're just going to get in and kind of see what we can get into as far as catching some waves, But first, coffee. Oh, yes. You guys, today has been a really hard day because, I realized my mom had some medical issues. Going on that were kind of bad. She's okay, but I think anyway. But the good thing is, guys, prayers have been there, so she does not have a blockage in her bowel. I think, this is my honest thought, I think it's the infections that she keeps getting that's causing me problems. I don't know, but it looks that way. Because when she was chronically infected before this happened, so, just my thought, But I sort of wish they would send her to a bladder specialist, because they need to find out what's causing these infections and get something done about it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so that's been kind of stressful. And then mom and dad's car went bumpy again. We've had a car issue again, so that's been a problem as well. Things just don't stop. Things just, I think it's stressful. But you know what? We're going to make it a good day. We're going to do something about that. We're going to make something good happen. And I'm making coffee. Oh, God. Okay, I'm sorry. I just got the natural crap scared out of me. Sorry about that. But anyway, like I said, we're going to try to make it the best we can. But seriously, guys, please pray for me because I've been really stressed out.
Weather now. Rain stopping soon. Speech off.
Sorry. Anyway, I've been really stressed with things going on in my life right now. That's why I'm doing so much of this, because I feel the need to do something to kind of decompress a little bit. I'm just like, oh, my brain just can't take much more of this. So please pray for me because my brain is just feeling very overloaded, for real, and very stressed. So anyway, let's go make it a good day, guys. Hey guys, so we are at the pool. Careful guys with the kids. They're happy to be down here in the water for a while. It is nice to actually, let them run and play and stuff like this. It really feels good because it gives me time to rest a little bit and have a little R&R. And the kids can play and, Of course, I love taking on rides too. I do, but we've had like 4 days of Disney stuff, so kind of wanted to. Whoa, nice jump, Kyle. Kind of wanted to give a break from that for a day or so we could just kind of relax. We're also going to be going down to Tampa, and New Smyrna, Florida, to do some stuff next week. So we're going to going to Tampa to Busch Gardens because the kids want to go to Busch Gardens, and then New Smyrna to see some friends and family there and all that. Nice job. So the kids really enjoy swimming, it feels good, and to me it's very relaxing because I can just relax. I can just let them play and I can relax. And I do watch them, but nice hit. Anyway, a lot of them on the diving board, jumping, and it's just good to see. Especially these kids can't really jump so much, but Chloe and Zoe can, and Kyle does. Anyway, so it's a wonderful day out here. Anyway, so kids are having a wonderful time in the pool, and we're gonna go down probably to the beach a little bit and let them play there too and collect shells and stuff like that. Whoa, Rich just jumped in. So yeah, this is actually good exercise for us because we were mostly having to go to the gym, but because we didn't keep up both kids, it's a lot of exercise. Oh, we away, guys. I have a hard time sleeping again. I have a lot of hard time sleeping at night because of the medical stuff going on in my life, but I'm trying. They're just jumping everywhere. Daggone Kyle! Kyle won't do anything. Kyle likes to jump. He likes to play. He likes to, ride rides and. Ow! And, so does Mama. So, anyway, we're just playing and. And Liam's fussing. Oh no, kids are everywhere. Kids are everywhere. You're gonna fall, dude. Anyway, so we're still down here at the pool. The kids are having a wonderful time. This pool has a slide on it, and Daniel wanted to try to go down it, and I was like, Daniel, be careful. He gets up on the slide, he's gone. So, that started scaring me a little bit, because I'm like, oh no. But he's fine, he did good. So, Zoe and Chloe have had some friends down here. They know from school, and they've been playing with them, and all that. Oh my god, you guys, I'm sleepy. Ouch. Okay, Kyle. Anyways, so, I was just trying to keep an eye on the kids and make sure they're all happy, and they're happy. Anyway, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. But, my kids can fill up the pool so quick because we have so many kids, like, it's crazy. Also, I was going to tell you guys, we are adopting again, but it's a special baby that is custom, well, a special little boy that's custom made. His name is going to be Sebastian. And pray for the fact that we can try to get his adoption money raised and get him home. The one thing we want is to get his adoption money raised and actually get him home, because, like,
Speech on. Pause. Time record. Pause. Button.
Hey guys, so the boys are still playing in the water. About to go down and see where the waterfall is. We saw a waterfall here a little bit ago. Go down to see. You like that, Jamie? They like being the only ones in the pool. Ow. Oh, this feels good. The steam pool feels good. So right now we're in the steam pool and the kids are running around. You guys, it feels like heaven. I'm not joking, it does.
Pause. Button.
Anyway, so we're just enjoying the water. It feels good. Hey guys, so we found the waterfall area. And it is awesome. The kids have already been underneath it a couple times. It's awesome. Oh yes, this is really nice. Wow. We just had lunch earlier and the kids took naps. We're back over here again. We're gonna go there today and look for shells and tank castles and stuff. Kylie's really enjoying himself. He's doing great. We were gonna go on some more rides today, but we were just kind of like tired and just not really feeling up to it, so it's a beach day. So we're at the beach now. The kids are playing and enjoying themselves. We didn't think we were gonna do beach day so much because we wanted to get so many rides, but today just was not a day for rides. Like, we were just tired and just, yeah. So it's beach day. And there's Kylie's swimming like a fish over there. Yes, he is. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sleepy that I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just tired. Oh, morning. Ouch, my toe. Anyways. letting the kids play over here. Hey guys, so after a while the kids swam in the ocean for a while and then they want to go back to the pool again. So here we are. I have the charcuterie board over here in case you want to eat snacks and stuff like that. Yeah, we're just this is not going to be a long vlog today, guys. I'm going to warn you because I'm exhausted. The last couple hours I just really haven't slept well. But first, coffee. Having a little iced latte. Like a chai. It's really good. Oh, that's good. Anyways, I'm really sleepy, so. Okay. I'm gonna fix the kids a drink real quick. I'll take you over here to watch me bartend. No, not really bartend, just playing. Anyway, I would never give my kids anything like that. I'm just joking around, but anyway. Oh my gosh. I'm tired. Anyway, why is it every time I breathe in that hurts? Oh man, that hurts me. Oh wee. You guys, that really hurt. Lay you right here for a second. I don't know why that is. Literally every time I breathe in, the left side of my left boob hurts. I don't know why that is happening, but it really does hurt. Like, it started today. So I don't know what's going on with that, but nevertheless. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm drained so bad. And I just heard that Lisa, ouch! Presley's died, and I got upset about that because, you know, it sucks when you hear about a death. It's really sucky. Ah! Well, that didn't work. Sometimes you just don't want to go in there. There. So anyway, just dealing with that, you know, cast out about Lisa passing on. She was a nice lady from what I heard about her. She's very nice. Very comforting to people. Anyways, so yeah. I'm dealing with that. Anyway. So, having an issue with these cubes. Cubes? Okay. These cubes, some of them just don't want to go in there very well. It's kind of a pain because it's harder for me to get cubes that actually will fit in this stupid, pathetic excuse for ice cup. So, not happy. Oh god, guys. So tired. Ah! I hate being tired. It sucks a bunch. snap! Like getting more cubes out of there, which is bad because I'm gonna need the cubes, but too bad you got the cab. Oh well, can't do that. Ah! Yeah, I think this is not working out my way today. Oh my god. I'm bending over hurts. What did it again? Let me do that hurt. So anyway, to our new subscribers, here's to you, buddies. That's your amazing faith. You come to my channel when it's different from most YouTube channels. I mean, we're way different than most, but you know what? Wouldn't have it any other way. Anyways, come back over here. Deliver drinks and things. This cup I've got here, like, will last all day, and then some. Like, it's awesome. Last night I went to church, and I didn't vlog it. We went to church, and I took it with me, and it lasted like all night. It was awesome. Anyway, so kids are having a wonderful time out. I'm, like I said, I'm truly very tired. Yikes, you guys. Hey guys, I am making spaghetti for dinner because I was gonna Grubhub and be lazy, but the kids wanted spaghetti, so that is what I'm doing tonight for dinner. But first, Pepsi. Ow. Oh, so refreshing. Yes. Anyway, I've got it cooking. Got some meatballs in here. Yummy. So I've got the kids' clothes in the laundry and doing those. And I am cleaning the area we sleep in, our little hotel bill thing. On Friday, we're gonna be going to our house, we have a house down here, near Tampa. We're gonna go there and stay there for a couple of days because, we're also gonna be going to New Smyrna, whatever. So we're gonna be doing that too. So yeah, we have a lot we're doing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm trying to find the initiative to do stuff. I'm just like, Okay, here's my secret ingredient with spaghetti. When you're making your sauce, add a little wine. Now I use this cooking wine, just not super flavored, but just kind of a cooking wine. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it smells good. Okay. You know, I always go by the quote by W.C. Fields, you know, I cook with wine, you know, and he always says, what is it he says, I cook with wine. Sometimes I even put it in the food. Actually, this is the way he does it. I cook with wine. Sometimes I even put it in the food. That's how he says it. And it cracks Rich up every time I use that little sentiment. It's like, but when you cook it, it cooks the alcohol out of it. I only use a very little tiny bit of there. And so, yeah. So, this is looking good, you guys. This spaghetti looks awesome. Here, a little sip of my drink. Oh my god, you guys, that's it. Oh. Anyway, so I'm getting spaghetti done. I got some garlic bread. I got some salad because we're trying to like salad with his spaghetti, so I got that done. And the kids should be coming in any minute, which I came up here to do this, so Rich could watch the kids for me so I can do this. So, anyway. So, I'm sorry today wasn't much, but we just kind of swam our day away, and then we napped a little while, swam again. So, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our day today. It wasn't much, but we did the best we could to make a bad day a good day. So, again, go check out my story, my emotional story. You'll know more about me and where I come from, what I went through. And people tell me all the time, Rocky, that took guts to tell that story about yourself, because a normal thing is I don't really talk about it because it makes me sad, but I knew that you guys need to know the truth about why I started my channel, so that's why I put it out there. Ooh, this looks good. Yum. So, anyway, yeah, that's why I'm on my channel, so I kind of told you guys about myself and what I've been through, and, stuff like that. So, anyway, guys, I'm gonna say goodnight. I'm gonna spend a little time with my kids and have dinner and all that. Try to get into bed pretty early tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna be traveling and starting fresh. We cannot fly right now because apparently there's a situation with flying, so we're just gonna make the best of it. That's what we're gonna do. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you more. You are awesome, and you are special. I love you.